Lida tools MCU MIG E series have 4 modes totally: MIG, SYN MIG, MMA, Lift-TIG. Let's check one by one. At MIG mode, this is the switcher of voltage and current, and this is the inching switcher. You can choose the materials here and the welding wire size. At MIG mode, here is more functions: inductance, 2T4T, hot start, and this is soft starting, burn back. The second mode is SYN MIG. Materials here and welding wire size, and more functions: inductance, 2T4T, hot start, soft starting, burn back. Now let's check MMA mode. This is adjust for current, and choose the more functions here. This is arc force, hot start, VRD on off, anti-stick on off. The last mode is Lift-TIG. You can adjust the current. Welcome to visit our website www.lidatools.com to get more information. Goodbye.